Cost $220 worth of makeup. Hey guys, it's Dominique and I'm here with a makeup tutorial. So if you know, cost $220 worth of makeup. I have no clue where it went. I don't know no clue. Like, I don't know where it went. I don't know where I left it. I don't know if someone took it. I have no clue. So I lost $220 makeup. With that being said, I needed makeup to do, well, I love doing makeup and I needed makeup, so I actually went to Shop Miss A. I saw a lot of people post on YouTube, Shop Miss A makeup, and everything's $1 on their website. So I paid, let me find my thingy, I paid $23.99, 90 something to do this, and I got quite a few things. I'm gonna show you guys in just a second what I got, but like I got a few things, a lot of things actually. So it cost me, I got 20 items and it cost me about $24. That was the tax and shipping. I got it for 7 to 10 business days, and I believe it came in 7 business days. So that is that. So I wanted to get actually a full face of makeup stuff for this little thing. So I went on Shop Miss A and I got face stuff. I got eyeshadows, blush, highlighter, eyelashes, lipsticks, all that jazz. So first I got this primer. It looks like this. Weird, but it actually smells like spa treatment. Like my parents used to own a spa and it smells like that. So this is what it looks like. See it? It's super like liquidy, if that makes any sense. I'm just gonna apply it on the T-zone. I forgot a mirror. Liquidy. I don't know how this is a primer and how poreless this is, but hopefully that made a difference. We'll see. Oh. Okay. Next, I got this sculpting brow pencil by AOA Studio. It looks a lot like Anastasia Beverly Hills definer brush. You can see this. Looks like that. So we're just gonna try this out. I'm gonna brush through the brows and I'm gonna just start applying this to my brows. It's kind of waxy, I will say that. Okay, I'm going to take this concealer that I got. It's called AOA Studio Concealer. It's called Wonder Cover HD Concealer in the shade Beige. I'm just going to clean up my brows. So this is what it looks like. I'm just going to clean up my brows. Now going on in with the foundation I got, I'm going to use the Sante, I don't know how you say it, Aqua Stylish Silky Milk Foundation, SPF 20, oil-free foundation. This is in the shade, I don't know what shade this is in. I'm pretty sure I picked tan, but it doesn't say. Like this. I don't think it's my color, but it's okay. So I'm just gonna take that on this concealer brush, and I'm going to do my eyebrows like so. I'm taking this brush, I don't even know what it's called, I got it a long time ago, and I'm just gonna press in the makeup. I'm pressing it all in. So just smoothing it all out, swiping it, patting it, swiping it, patting it. Okay, now I'm going to actually put on this foundation all over my face. I bought one of these little bought one of these little silicone thingies off of theirs only. So I'm just gonna squeeze it out like so, and I'm gonna just apply it as dots all over my face. Ooh, that's thick. That's slim thick. We'll see how this turns out. Ooh. Yeah. That is the thickness, if you could see that. I'm applying it on my nose and my chin, and then I'm gonna apply it more onto my forehead. This seems like it's a dry consistency, so I'm probably gonna have to move really quickly with it. There's a brush. I'm just gonna use a brush to apply it because I don't know how well that other thing will apply it. So it's really sticky and it's going on my face. It's like wet, like it feels wet on my face. For oil-free consistency, it feels really wet. So I'm gonna apply more because I don't think it really did cover anything. It's more like a tinted, like moisturizer. That's what it feels like. Looks like a tinted moisturizer too. So I'm just gonna apply that on the forehead, where the places where it's not really reaching, and right here. Just try to make something out of this. So this is definitely not full coverage. It's more like a tinted moisturizer, like I was saying. It also is it's really kind of orangey, which is fine because I am kind of yellow, but I'm not orange, but like I'm yellow. I'm just gonna apply that. It kind of feels heavy, so it feels really liquidy, number one, and it's not super full coverage. I mean, it's covering with the brush, but it's not, like, it just feels kind of heavy. Oh, I don't know how I feel about that. AOA Wonder Cover HD Concealer in Beige. And I'm going to apply that on my under eyes. So this is actually super dry. This concealer is super dry. Woo, so it fell. I'm gonna go in with this sponge. Their sponge is a little more harder than my sponge is. Like, you probably can't tell. It's a lot more harder, and I'm just gonna work that in really quickly because it is a dry consistency. So what I like to do with this sponge is I swipe it where it needs to be, and then I pat it in. I like to bring my concealer on my nose like so, making that kind of line, if you could see. This smells really interesting. As you can see on my forehead, it's not super blended out. Right here, it's not super blended, and right here. And that's honestly because of this thing. I'm not a huge fan of this thing. I use it a lot just to apply my makeup because I feel like it applies really well, but to actually blend it all in isn't really good. So I'm going to take my foundation brush that I used earlier, and I'm just going to go all around and pat it in. And it's now blended. It looks pretty decent. So far, so good. There's just a few things that you have to work with because it was only $1 and it works well. But so far, so good. Now I'm gonna go in with this liquid makeup. This is in beautiful bronze. When I looked in bronzer, this is like the only thing they really had. And I think it's just a foundation that's dark. And I'm gonna pump it on my hand because it seems like a lot is gonna come out. It's actually really, there's a cap on it. I wonder why I'm struggling. So I'm just gonna, oh yeah, that is a lot. Look how much just came out of that little pump. Okay, I'm gonna use this brush. I use this with powder as well, but it's also a really good liquid brush as well. I'm gonna just lightly tap it, like barely any. There's still a lot on there. I'm gonna go in and use that as my bronzer. That was not enough, so we're gonna go in to the forehead. Again, I just really want to be careful with this because this is a liquid and I don't know how far it'll go because I've never used this product before, so I don't know. I'm just gonna apply a little more right here. And then I'm going to apply a little bit around my jaw and around my chin and under my lip. And then I'm going to apply it, I'm going to squeeze down, and I'm going to apply it to my nose. Oh, could you see that? I don't know. So, if you can see, I'm going to change the lighting, hold on. Okay. Don't know what setting this is in. Okay, this works for me. So now I'm gonna go in with highlighter. This is the highlighter in Snap. It's by AOA Studios called Wonder Baked Highlighter. It had a cover. Just let you know, it had a plastic cover on it. So good. I'm just gonna dip it in. Doesn't show like a lot of powder coming off. Tapping off the excess. Then applying that right here. Very like poof, but it's very there. Let's see if you can see it on this side. Gotta get a lot on my brush. That is very like natural glow from within. I'm gonna get up close and do my nose. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with this blush. This is in Coral Blush. It's by LOL, lots of love. Just like that other one. I'm just gonna open it up. It looks like. I think I'm gonna go in. This one has sparkles. And then this one. Oh my gosh, can you see that? That's chunky. That's what they look like. Wipe that off my hand, please. Okay. That one that looks like a chunk. I'm gonna do both. I'm gonna do it like this. That's a lot. Still a lot, but it's okay. Just gonna apply it to. I'm gonna pat it in and then circle it all the way up. Circle it all the way up. Okay, it's okay. Once again, patting it, then swirling it.